Hello folks, today we are doing an inspection on an older building here, actually an old bank office building. We're down in the lower level here, and what I wanted to share with you here is the basement, and we got this floor joist being supported by a massive amount. I'm going to back up a little bit here. A massive amount of these beams post, and you see it looks like they did a good job. They got it really beefed up well. But what I really wanted to share with you is even though it's beefed up well, it's sitting on this old concrete floor, and they're treated 4x4s, but they do not have any piering underneath them. As we could see here, we see deflection in our basement floor already, so we already know that it's it's not structurally supported. But this is something you want to watch for. They really did a great job. They just didn't understand that they needed to have this on piers. Well, folks, I hope that this has been educational. If you got a commercial inspection job you need to have us take a look at, please give us a call. Galloway Building Services. Have a great day.